Okay, there's another segment I'd like to share with you. And I've mentioned it so far. I mean, I've mentioned it in one of the modules you've seen, but I find it is worth insisting on it, and maybe to make you aware of just how much you could use this technique. It's about slowing down. Bitte schön, s'il vous plaît, merci beaucoup. Slowing down, okay? We have to realize that this speed in which we live, we send a text on the other side of the planet, and if we don't have an answer within a few seconds, we're worried. That's how fast it goes. So slowing down seems like a good place to start to help us with anxiety. Speed is very toxic for our functioning, and of course, speed and sympathetic system, they always belong together. So slowing down is really healthier for our body. So where can we slow down? Don't look for something extraordinary. I can slow down now just by talking slower. And by talking slower, not only I relax, I involve much more my parasympathetic system, but I believe it also has a reaction on other people. So you can slow down just like that for a few seconds. You can slow down. You go to work in the morning and you have to walk to the train station or bus station, or to your car. Okay, this morning I'm going to walk slowly. Just so you remove the weeds in your garden before they start. And often in the morning, this is where the level of cortisol is at the maximum, because you need to hit the day. You need to start, in your day. So this is where it is particularly beneficial to do the cardiac coherence, to do the thymus thumb, but also to slow down. It can be a play that we do, a game that we play with the kids. After recreation, after the break, the pause, we're walking slowly in the classroom, just to teach them that they can be in charge. They can be in charge of their state. Where it is particularly beneficial is when you practice it during meals. Yes, eating slowly, allowing for all your system to take it in, digest it, take your time with it. So not only slowing down the breathing, slowing down the talking, slowing down the walking, but also slowing down the eating. You pick 1 minute here and there. You take charge. Your sympathetic system tends to be monarchic. He wants to shut up every other voices. I'm in charge. But by stealing a minute here and there, you really recreate a much more comfortable space to live inside of you and for people to live around you. There's one other place where it is particularly useful. It is in your thoughts. Just an example I experienced last night. I was in my bed thinking of talking to you today, and my thoughts were speeding up. Oh, and I want to tell them that. I want to tell them that. And then I said, okay, let's see if I could slow down my thoughts, because I want to be ready to sleep. So I want to slow down my thoughts. And I started to slow down my thoughts, and I could feel the ripening effect all over my body. So this is for anxious people. It could be a very good place to start to slow down their thoughts.